Imagine a factory where the lights are turned off and the heating is unplugged because nobody inside actually feels the cold. Instead of human workers, thousands of metallic figures are moving in perfect rhythm to assemble the gadgets you use every day. China just announced a massive plan to make this a reality by putting 10,000 humanoid robots to work by the end of 2026. This is not just a small pilot program or a flashy demo for a tech convention. It is a full-blown national mandate from the Ministry of Industry and Information Technology. They have released a 9-page blueprint that outlines exactly how they intend to dominate this new industry. While the rest of the world is focused on chatbots and AI images, China is building physical bodies for that intelligence to live in. They are calling these robots the next disruptive technology, comparing them to the invention of the smartphone or the internet. The government wants to create a complete supply chain that handles everything from the tiny sensors to the heavy-duty motors. By 2025, the goal is to have the core components ready for mass production. Then just 12 months later, they expect to have 10,000 of these machines operating in real-world environments. We are talking about robots that have human-like hands, legs, and even faces that can show emotions. These machines will be deployed into dangerous jobs like handling toxic chemicals or working in extreme heat. They are also being designed to work in hospitals to help elderly patients who need physical support. But the biggest impact will be felt on the assembly lines where cars and electronics are put together. Most people think of robots as giant arms bolted to the floor that can only do one task. Humanoid robots are different because they can walk around, climb stairs, and use the exact same tools that we use. This means a company wouldn't have to redesign its entire factory to automate the work. They could just buy a robot, show it what to do, and let it take over the station where a person used to stand. This sounds like a dream for business owners, but it presents a massive challenge for the global economy. Creating a robot that can balance on 2 legs while carrying a heavy tray is one of the hardest engineering problems ever. Humans have spent millions of years evolving a sense of balance that we take for granted every day. If a robot hits a small bump on the floor, it needs to process thousands of calculations per second to keep from falling. China is pouring billions of dollars into research centers in cities like Beijing and Shanghai to solve this. They are developing what they call the brain of the robot, which uses large language models similar to the ones behind ChatGPT. This allows the robot to understand verbal instructions and figure out how to finish a task without being programmed step by step. However, there is a huge problem standing in their way right now regarding power and stamina. Most humanoid robots can only operate for 2 or 3 hours before their batteries completely die. Charging a fleet of 10,000 robots every couple of hours would be a logistical nightmare for any manager. There is also the issue of the uncanny valley, where robots look just human enough to be creepy to the people working near them. Despite these hurdles, the Chinese government is pushing forward because their workforce is shrinking at an alarming rate. With a population that is getting older, they simply do not have enough young people to fill their factories anymore. These 10,000 robots are meant to be the first wave of a mechanical army that keeps their economy growing. If this plan works, the cost of manufacturing will drop so low that it will be impossible for other countries to compete. We are seeing a new kind of arms race, but instead of missiles, it is being fought with actuators and tactile sensors. The tech impact here is massive because it changes our relationship with machines from tools to coworkers. By the time 2026 rolls around, the sight of a robot walking down a hallway might be as common as seeing a delivery van. This initiative is the ultimate test of whether AI can truly master the physical world we live in. We are standing at the edge of a total shift in how things are made and who or what is making them. The deadline is set, the money is moving, and the first 10,000 workers are currently being built in a lab. Watch this next video to see how the race for artificial general intelligence is reaching a boiling point.